How to change the name in Outlook Mail. So if you want to change the name in Outlook Mail, then what you need to do is just first open up your Outlook application. So let me tell you one thing, that you won't be able to change your name from the application. So what you need to do is you can simply go with the browser, search for Outlook, and here you will have Microsoft Outlook. Make sure to log in or sign into your Outlook on your browser. And once you're here, what you need to do is just go with the upper right, which has that profile option. Go with my profile, and here you will have your info. So you just need to simply scroll down. You will have full name, and on the right side you will have edit name. Click on edit name. Once you click on edit name, you'll have the first name and the last name. So you can simply remove the name and then add a new name. And after that, enter the CAPTCHA. What you can see here, you just need to simply enter the characters right here. And after that, go with save, and your name will be changed. So that's how you can change the name in Outlook Mail. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.